with me now. Go with me now. I'll take you down. Go with me.
Hello everyone, and welcome to another video. I'm Trucker Jim, and today we're going to be talking about what's in my power washing truck and where do I put it. Well, there's a few must-haves and there's even more nice-to-haves when you're running your very own power washing business. Some people call it pressure washing. We don't do a whole lot of cleaning with high pressure. We're more of a soft wash cleaning bunch here at High Five, where we use proven chemicals to do our cleaning solutions. But what have we got in the truck? Well, number one, we've got our pressure washer. We've got a 4.2 gallon Simpson pressure washer. And once we get everything in, we're going to strap this down, and this is generally where it stays, but this runs off non-ethanol fuel. We secured a spool for 100 foot of hose on our pressure washer. I don't know if anyone else does it that way. We did a little swap-a-roo with the pull cord. It was originally headed the other direction, but we've got it this so we don't have to climb up in the truck to crank it. A couple things I want to show you guys. We put quick connects on everything we can put quick connects on. Like this is the water that goes to my spool. This I'll hook to the customer's water. But same thing with our power hose. But I do not put the power hose directly in there because there's going to be a downstream injector in between. But you will see a quick connect on a power hose on both ends. Another thing we have is a big box with extra stuff. This has got aprons, you know, waterproof aprons that we wear while we work. There's rags, there's brushes. We need to wrap something up, tape stuff up. And a variety of different chemicals, nozzle heads, brushes, gutter cleaning gear. Those kind of things stay in our big box. We like to have our box where we can get to it from the passenger side and not have to climb into the truck. Our big box is not our only box. We've also got our toolbox, and there's lots of goodies in here, like ball valves. Ball valves, that's right. There's two different styles, but both of them have quick connects. And a game changer for you guys just starting out. I know your least favorite thing in the world is wrestling with all these hoses, getting tangled up and twisted and caught on roots and things. Both of our ball valves have swivels on the end. They're kind of pricey. I think I paid $38 for this stainless steel one. The brass one was cheaper, but it keeps your hose from getting super tangled. It'll still get a little tangled, but not very tangled. It's a game changer. But I don't think it changes the game as much as this. This is a downstream injector. This quick connect is gonna go into our pressure washer, and then the hose, our power hose, is gonna go into this. And this nipple here gets a hose that goes into our soap or our bleach or whatever we're cleaning with for the day, and downstreams it through a pressure washer wand at a 1:20 ratio. I'll give you a peek into our toolbox, but we're not going to go over everything. But some of the must-haves is some Teflon tape. A J-rod is a definite must-have, and I like this giant gun, which I can include a variety of different wand sizes depending upon what I'm doing. When we're not downstreaming our bleach, our soap, we have it in a fresh bucket of water, flushing it through our system. So we always fill up a bucket of water when we get started. And you don't really always want to stand there and have to hold it. And ours doesn't have a lock, but if you put a tennis ball or something in between it, we can fill our bucket up and do something else at the same time. All right, are you ready for that quick peek of our toolbox I told you about? There's the top shelf, there's the bottom. What we're doing now is swapping from our loaner truck back into the Chevy. We just got it back from the shop. But here's a few other things that's going in. Now in this red can, that's where we keep our non-ethanol gas, and in this one we keep our mixed gas. Now we have a backpack blower, and we blow a lot of roofs off and gutters out, but probably more than anything we use it just to clean off flat surfaces, driveways, and porches before we start cleaning. But that takes mixed gas, so you'll want to have a separate gas can for that. When not being used, our backpack blower, we keep it in the back seat instead of the back of the truck. But I would say most guys in our position probably use a handheld blower instead of the backpack, but we work with what we got. Well, until it's time to upgrade. Yeah. And now this guy's going in. Anybody want to take a guess what this is? If you said a do-it-yourself soft wash system, you'd be right. Yeah, we are not working with the $20,000 rig right now, but this is a 13-gallon tank. But yeah, this is our soft wash system. It has a tank, hose. This is where a car or marine battery goes. And then we strap a 12-volt pump. Actually, we strap the 12-volt pump here, which is right there. And we're always alternating, keeping one of these batteries on charge. Because sometimes it takes more than one. We've got a roof wash coming up Wednesday of next week, and I intend to make a video, so we'll go more into detail of our soft wash system and why we keep that in our truck. I used to not keep in there, and then I decided I like washing roofs more than anything. So I'm prepared. I can wash a bunch of roofs. That's why I got this big tank, and that's why we got this soft wash system. Because you don't want me trying to clean algae off your roof with my pressure washer or some guy using the white tip. That is not the way to do it. But we're going to put our bucket and then our soap pail, and there's our downstreamer in there, a squirt bottle. We have a squeegee that comes in handy when we're cleaning concrete that has spots where water collects. A few extension poles. We've got some bleach right now. Next week we'll have that full of bleach. Measuring wheel comes in handy. All right, we have almost got it. And here at the tailgate, we've got a bit of a workstation. We can do a lot of things. We can reach everything just by going around the truck. We can get hooked up fast, and that's what you want. But we're not done yet. We're putting some things on top. Our ladder and our surface cleaner. Notice Chase is using what we got, using the ladder as a step ladder, and then putting the ladder on the ladder rack. This is a little giant. It's a 22-foot ladder. It's good for us most of the times if we need to get up a little higher, or dirty walls, or if we need to access roofs. This will do it most of the time. I've got a 28-foot ladder back here when it's not good enough, but I usually only load it on days that I need it. Lastly is our surface cleaner. This is where we make all our friends, guys, this surface cleaner. Because we do it cheaper than we should, and damn are we good at it. But what we do is just stick the surface cleaner on top of the ladder, and then we're going to use one strap to strap it all down and keep the pressure washer in place. Alright, you can toss it over. And we go through the pressure washer, down to this hook. Alright, this hook. Chase is going to tighten it on his end. That's going to hold our surface cleaner, our ladder, and the pressure washer all in place and secure. Which secure is what you want. There is one thing I got to watch out for. We've got this 6-foot extension one, which we do use from time to time, but it's so long that sticks up a little on top of my tailgate. But that's how we roll, guys. This is what's set up in our truck. We got our 4.2 gallon machine. We got a soft wash machine. We're cleaning with bleach, and we got a few other goodies. And we've got a toolbox. Well, that's going to be a wrap on this video. I hope this helps someone. But we're Jim and Chase. We're a father and son team here at High Five Power Washing. We are located here in Taylor's, and we also have a mascot named Beamer. Hey, Beam. Sit. Give me 5. Yeah, good boy. But thanks for watching our video. I love pressure washing. I've been doing it off and on since I was 10 years old. And I tell you, in the early days, I was messing up some stuff with some high pressure wands. But I've learned now, and I promise I won't tear up any of your property. We will leave it better than we found it. And that is our guarantee. But we hope to hear from you, and we'll see you in the next video.
Everybody going through a little something, something.